Hey everybody, this is Laurel with the North Raleigh Seed Library, and I'm so glad that you are here. And before we start, I have to tell you, I looked at the analytics on our YouTube channel, and we have apparently a huge following in Bangladesh. So if you're from Bangladesh, welcome, and we want to give you a shout out. And if you are a bot, please put us out there so we can get a better algorithm. There you go. I don't know if anybody's ever made a request to a bot, but we'll see if it works. So here is what you've been waiting for. It's Adriana's weekly post that is so successful. It's all of the requests for plants and things for your garden that you've been looking for. And we hope to put it out to a wider audience, even Bangladesh, because we want everybody to have a seed library. The more people that have seed libraries, the more fun this is going to be. There can't be too many seed libraries, right? Can you imagine being able to drive from one to the other, to the other, to the other, trade your plants, meet new friends, and just enjoy the gardening community? It would be just a delight. Right now we have so many springing up, and remember, should you decide to start a seed library, you can use anything on our page, on our Facebook page. We don't care. We want to share. We want to give anything that we have to you to use as a template to build your own infrastructure for your own seed library, because like I said, it's just a wonderful way to just build our community around something that's really fun, which is gardening. Okay, so let's get to it. Carolyn Hammonds Nicholson says, I'd love to have some Fatsia japonica and a butterfly bush. Does anyone have hydrangea propagation plants? I'm trying to do some, but I don't have the touch. I was in Kentucky last week and every street was lined with them. I wish I had all the money I've spent trying to grow them. I think it's just too hot here. Plus those pesky deer. I'm going to try the deer netting. Oh, so let me just tell you this really fast. So the Impatient Gardener on YouTube, I just watched her today, and she has a great episode on deer control and deer fencing. It's a good companion piece to the one that Marilyn Gist did for our channel about how to take care of your deer situation. So it was really informative about fencing and different kinds, and she's not promoting any product, which I really liked. The thing that was interesting, though, that really just was eye-opening, she said, there's fence companies that do decorative fencing. Well, that's one thing, and the contractors, they sort of have that set. But then there's also agricultural fencing, and there are contractors that do that, and that's a whole different ball of wax. So agricultural fencing for deer fencing, if you're not looking for the really pretty stuff, that's another rabbit hole for you to go down on the internet. So enjoy. Danielle Galvin would love to have a banana tree. If you have a banana tree, can you reach out to Danielle? And you can find all our folks here who are asking on Facebook, on Messenger. And remember, we're on the North Raleigh Seed Library Facebook page, and we hope everybody will join. Okay, so Ileana Phelps would love some figs if anyone has extra. Do you want figs, or are you looking for fig trees? So anyway, if you got that, please reach out to Ileana. Faith Nicole Brewer. I still have sunchokes, but I'm in Lewisburg and will dig upon arrival. Do you know that seems to work out the very best? Like sometimes life gets in the way and you want to go pick up a plant, but when, you got 15,000 things that have to be done and you just can't make that trip, and for whatever reason you just didn't get there, sometimes that plant will sit in a pot and wait for you and get a little thirsty and get a little dry. And anyway, it's just better if you're on the way and the person can pull it up when you arrive. Makes life so much better. So anyway, just a thought in case you've got some stuff you're saving for people. So Vicky Bear would love some herbs if anyone has extra. And she got a reply from Rachel Strachter, and Rachel says, I'm trying to root some. You can check with me in a couple of weeks. The rooting has been tougher lately. So let's see. Vicky, check back with her. Tassie E. Okra seedlings, please. And there's 5 replies to that. And there's a lot of back and forth. So get ready, everybody. Faith Nicole Brewer says, Ty C. I have lots, but I'm in Lewisburg. I'll be out that way Monday, though. Ooh, make sure to get up with her, okay? She's coming to Raleigh. Tina Sutherland. We're twinning. Oh, hang on a minute. These mosquitoes are awful. I can't stand it. Okay, here we go. All right. Faith Nicole Brewer. She says, I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at the fact that this was the one I could fulfill and you were already here. Did we match our gardens? Are we twins? Oh, Jade is my twin. I don't know if you've met your gardening twin, but when you have, you will know that person. I mean. So Faith says, Ty CE. Send me a PM. Faith Nicole Brewer, Ty C says, that would be wonderful. Thank you so much. All right, I hope you twins get together. Trisha Neal Abdur Rashid would like a lemon tree. So if you have one that you're looking to rehome, please reach out to Trisha. Florence C. Hey, Florence. I love when Florence posts. She says, not a plant, but I'd love rain or less heat. I hear you. Right now, I have the perspiration. It is just like, ugh. So it could be bug spray. Anyway, so Justina Matayu would love some yarrow. Hey, Justina, do you want white, pink, or yellow yarrow? If you have some, let her know. Kamanini Pallavi, beautiful flower bud. Looking for the one in the picture, Adriana O'Doherty. And Adriana says, and this is on our Facebook page, the picture is a type of magnolia. And Claire Rodriguez says she would love some spotted bee balm. I don't know what spotted bee balm is, but that sounds very cool. So, okay, I have to tell you what happened today because we're all finished up with that. And remember, every week, make sure to post what you're looking for, because now that we're reaching Bangladesh, you might get lucky. You might find exactly what you're looking for. Remember, everything is free, never a charge. We never charge. We don't promote products here. We will never take money on this YouTube channel or in any other way through the Seed Library. It's all just a way for all of us to spend time together around something that we love, which is gardening. Okay, so I have to chit chat. So this morning I picked up Charlene, who's on our group, and Charlene and I at 7:15 went over to Michelle Crompton's house. And okay, so we went to pick something up, but we got there and Michelle showed us her front yard. It was nice. And then she showed us her backyard, and it was nice. And then, oh my goodness, she opened the gate to her back garden, and we found Shangri-La. I mean, it was just short of angels singing. It was stunning. Huge, huge, huge. And it had vegetables in the middle that her husband takes care of. And she plants around the outside edge inside the deer fence. And it's the most amazing collection of plants. It's beautiful. And get this, she has a destination spot where she actually works from home, and that her husband built her is a small screened-in porch area. And the screened-in porch has got electricity. It's got a ceiling fan. That's all it is, just screened-in porch where she can sit and look out over the garden while she works. It's delightful. But here's the thing that caught me, and I am obsessing now. You know me. If I see it, I got to do it. There's just no holding me back. So, you know, 4 o'clocks, everybody has 4 o'clocks or 4 o'clock seeds, and they tend to pop up at the Seed Library, you know, a lot towards the end of the summer. Well, she did an entire border down the side of a fence line, and it's all 4 o'clocks. The entire thing is 4 o'clocks. Every color. And one of the 4 o'clocks has all the colors on one bush. It was spectacular. En masse, it is absolutely spectacular. I can't get it out of my head. I don't know how I'm going to go to sleep tonight. So I have to collect 4 o'clock seeds. I have to get 4 o'clock plants and plant them all down the side of my border opposite. Oh, hey, Rose, you know how we made the espalier? Rose and I made the coolest Rose of Sharon espalier, and it's in the X pattern, right? Well, in front of that, all the way down the edge, are going to be 4 o'clock borders, which I'm so excited about. So thank you, Michelle, for the great idea. Visiting everybody's garden just inspires me. It inspires you to come home and do all kinds of things in our own. Isn't it weird how, like with anything, you get the same ingredients as the person next to you, and you mix it all up, and you have 2 different completely unique looks, tastes, everything. Well, see, that's what happens in my kitchen because I don't cook. Like, I can have the same ingredients as somebody else, and what comes out in my kitchen is not what you're going to get. So anyway, but in a garden, everybody has a lot of the same flowers, and we just do it differently. And everybody has different styles, and that's what makes it fun. And that's why it's great to garden tour. And she might even let us come and do a video at her house. So we've got a lot of videos coming up of people's yards. So if you want to be on YouTube or your garden or anything, just let me know. I'll send you a Dropbox link if you don't want me to come over so you don't have to clean up. You don't have to clean up anyway. Or if you just want to do something like a houseplant tour, or you got an idea that you want to do, that you think you know somebody that does something fun, as long as you are a Seed Library member, a North Raleigh Seed Library member on our Facebook page, we will do whatever you pretty much want to do as far as gardening concerns. So now let's just talk about what happened after that. I came home and, I wasn't feeling that great this morning, so I stopped by Lila's house, and Lila had picked up some plants for me, big ones, like one was bigger than me, and brought them back from a place she visited the other day. And of course I had to get those in the ground after I sort of took a breather, and then it was time for a retirement nap. And the reason that I'm telling you all this is that we're a little late on this video today. I will try to do better next week unless something fun happens. So hope you guys have a great week. Go start a seed library. Go, please, please, please sign up and get your friends to sign up for this YouTube channel. As soon as the algorithm picks us up, we can reach more people, and that way we can reach more than Bangladesh. But we appreciate you Bangladeshians, and we love our friend in the Ukraine. That makes me so happy. I love this so much. And I think we've got some friends in India. And that's pretty much all the little, analytics told me. But if you, again, are a bot, thank you for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.